1, 2, 3, 4 easy bookmarks. All of them are going to be super cute, and you can easily make them at home for the first one. We will take an ice cream stick, cut one big and one small piece, then glue them together. You can decorate it with any cute stickers or make design using clay and stick them on. This bookmark is very easy. You can definitely make it. The third one is also very cute. You just need some clay. Make your favorite shapes like fruits of flowers and stick them on top for the fourth bookmark. I had this coloring book whose colors I didn't use, so I cut the color side and wrote a study message on it. And now all our bookmarks are ready. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe by cuties. Wait for end.